Welcome everyone. I am again with you the another module of Unit 3 Environmental Pollution. Today we are going to discuss the ozone layer depletion. Now first of all we need to understand what is ozone layer. So ozone layer, that means the layer within the atmosphere, that layer composed of high concentration of ozone which is present in our stratospheric layer of atmospheric layers. This is in the vicinity of 15 to 30 kilometer above the planet surface, Earth planet surface. So it wraps the whole planet and shield whole life on the planet by soaking up dangerous UV radiation or ultraviolet radiation from sun. Now what is ozone layer depletion? That means the slow diminishing of Earth's ozone layer, that is ozone in the stratosphere, which is happening because of emission of various chemical compounds which contains gaseous form of any bromine or chlorine emanated by industrial activities or additional human actions. So that is the release of such compounds which may release the free radical of chlorine. So that particular chlorine free radical decompose the O3 ozone molecule into oxygen and nascent oxygen. So there is a slow thinning of ozone layer that is known as ozone layer depletion. So in this particular equation or reaction, you can understand how chlorine molecule comes and destruct the ozone molecule, and this ozone molecule get decomposed in two parts, oxygen and nascent oxygen. Again that particular nascent oxygen combined with the chlorine, this chlorine again interact with the another ozone molecule. So this is the step by step process. So what are the main causes of ozone layer depletion? That means ozone layer depleting substances are there, some gases are there which are responsible for the release of chlorine free radical, which is responsible for destruction of ozone layer. Such compounds are, for an example, chlorofluorocarbon, another name is CFCs, carbon tetrachloride, methyl chloroform, hydrofluorocarbons, and others are as well which can release the chlorine free radical. Now what is the impact of this particular depletion of ozone layer? As I told you that this is the encapsulating of ozone layer over the planet which shield from the ultraviolet radiation. So if there is a thinning of this particular layer, then there is a direct interaction of Earth towards the ultraviolet radiation, and this radiation may cause many harms. So human will be in a straight line of the impact of dangerous or UV radiation from the sun. The skin syndromes, this cancer, the sunburns, cataracts, speedy aging and feeble immune system. These are the impacts of ozone layer depletion, or you can say direct interaction of ultraviolet radiation. Ozone depletion may lead to negligible growth, blossoming and photosynthesis in flora. The jungles will be impacted by the harmful rays of the sun, or you can say the forest can be impacted. The plankton, the phytoplankton, zooplanktons, the water body is also get affected by the interaction of ultraviolet radiation. So what are the solutions? Now solution is that avoid such substances which are releasing such chlorine free radicals which are responsible for ozone layer depletion. We can also use the alternative source of such type of compound, because CFCs can be utilized in many applications. Like air conditioners, you can say, and any spray bottles and all, we use such type of chemicals. So we can search out the another alternatives. Right now we are having HCFCs as well and other substituents also. We can minimize the use of vehicles so that there is a less release of such compounds. We can use eco-friendly cleaning products. To halt the depletion of ozone layer, countries around the world agreed to stop ozone depleting substances. This agreement was formalized in Vienna Convention for the Protection of Ozone Layer in 1985. And the Montreal Protocol, I am again telling you, the Montreal Protocol on substances that deplete the ozone layer in 1987 was discussed. So what we have discussed today, ozone layer depletion, what are the causes, what are the impacts, what are the solution, and also introduction of Montreal Protocol. Thank you.